Bird's gonna come here and rip this shit up. You guys ready for that? I hope. Everybody back here on drums. As soon as you're traveling down 35, right when you hit Louisville, there's a big old water tower. It's a huge water tower with a big old heart on it. And in the middle of that heart says Sweetheart Stevens back here on the drums all the way from East Dallas. My good friend, your good friend, Mr. Sweetheart Stevens. All the way from Lubbock, Texas, the biggest smile in Texas. We call him Filthy. You call him Rich. His name together is called Filthy Rich. Welcome, my friend Filthy. Big old Sonic cups, and inside of it is this big old bright purple drink. They call it purple drink. Are they milk? Anybody getting married tonight, he can do it. We call him the Rev. Mr. Reverend Johnny Matt. Over here to the Big Flats. Everybody knows him, you know him. You guys give him love. Back here, son, with the his name is Kevbo. Don't forget it. All the way from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Mr. Kevin Miller. City is one of my really good friends. He's got one of some of the best songs here in the state. I truly believe it. His name is Ryan Norman. Don't forget it. We call him Highlander.
Oklahoma, the birthday boy himself, our namesake, the man who put this all together, Mr. Greg Reichel.
Man of many words.
Play us a solo, Greg.
You guys, be real quiet. Listen to Greg's solo. Everybody bring it down. Hold on. Play it, play it, play it.
Sorry. Child, cashing all your have to play with another sound man that doesn't know shit about sound.
Love you,
You know
Steve.
what I'm talking about. Cameron, happy bachelor party, man. I hope you make it. Good luck, man. I know I'll get a divorce attorney. That gave you hope. What do you guys think about the Big Flats? Mike McClure's gonna come up and rip it up, man. I love every time I get to see Mike McClure. I love Mike looking for something to ease my mind. I'm dying from a big fall. I know that's nice. I will lie and dormant. On Sunday morning, I'll be right by your side. Don't get up on me. Be the man I can in this. Thank you guys so much. We have CDs and shirts. Love to have a beer with you. Thank you guys so much. Greg Reichel The Big Flats. GregReichel.com. All right.